Online Classes Introduction. Welcome to Online Classes, a starting point for anyone new to learning in a digital space. In this module, you'll build the practical skills you need to feel comfortable and confident online. You'll learn how to find your way around course platforms, use the internet and email effectively, and keep your digital files organized. You'll also cover the basics of how your computer works, so you can troubleshoot common issues and use your device with more ease. You'll get familiar with video conferencing tools, so joining virtual classes or meetings feels second nature. And to help you stay focused and well, you'll discover tips for setting up a workspace that supports healthy, productive habits. Whether you're brand new to online learning or just looking to fill in some gaps, this module is here to help. Let's get started.